Fourth grade mathematicians, today we're going to be learning how to find the lowest common multiple. This is also known as finding the LCM. You can see L, lowest, C, common, and M, multiple. Before we learn how to do this, let's make sure we understand what all the parts of this name mean. So we know that lowest means the least or the lowest, the smallest number. We know that common means same. So for example, if you and me both like blue, then we have a favorite color in common. And then we learned the other day that a multiple is basically when you are skip counting, right? So for example, the multiples of 2 would be 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. So now let's talk about how we would find the lowest common multiple. For our first example, we are being asked to find the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3. So the first thing that we are going to do is list the first few multiples of both 2 and 3. We can start with 2. To find the first few multiples of 2, I will skip count by 2's. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and so on. It could go on and on forever. Let's also find the first few multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and so on. Now we need to figure out which multiples these two numbers have in common. So I'm going to go through and circle the multiples that are the same. Let's use yellow. So if I'm looking at both of my lists, what numbers do I see that are the same? Well, both lists I see have a 6. Both lists also have a 12. And actually, had I kept going with my 2's, then both lists also would have had an 18. But in the instructions, we were told to find the lowest common multiple. So of the numbers that I circled, which one is the lowest? I circled 6, 12, and 18. The lowest is 6. So I could say that the LCM, the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. That's it.